That's all. Hey! This is fun!
Do you like the Jell-O?
Those are two.
Oh.
Right? No.
Dinosaurs.
Yeah, dinosaur crash.
And there's a big finish here.
There's a big thing.
Ryan.
That's too
Change the
big.
mic.
It won't be your George cake. Okay.
I like that part. That was a big song.
That was a good song.
Good.
Who's that guy?
Photo.
Mm-hmm.
Guys.
Yeah.
I said.
Yes!
What's the story about it?
It's about a rainbow.
And the toggle. Ooh, it's a dinner puzzle.
It's not a puzzle.
It's a game.
It's a game. It's a puzzle game.
Buddy,
It's a toy.
who is in there do you see that you know?
Superman and Flash.
Yeah.
Who's that?
He's a 10. Can we open it?
Yeah.
Of course.
Who's the name?
What number's on there, Shane?
1.
3. Why do you think there's a 3 on there?
I don't know. Who did this?
Who did this?
Who is
That's Shane.
His name is Shane, buddy.
Oh. What did he do?
That doesn't. He just rolls on the track.
Now you turn Mama. He says doing dinner.
Yes.
But what's in the top?
I don't know. We'll have to find out.
Shane.
There's a hole. All right. You know you every time you turn it on the page, you only did the toaster and the block, but you made a terrible mess. Stop you turn pages a fake steel back wall. I just try you bend this, turn this page. You know, you did Doug. Yeah.
Is the end of this book?
Next page. I just book. And there's a mouse in this book. Peace. Will you look at that? This is in a book.
And the only monster.
No, I do.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
And most is you ever find a double and this book, it's just you was so dead. The end. Told you this never be filled up. Now bye bye. Oh, it's so embarrassing. I saw that.
He had a red shirt on? And was he big or was he small?
He was big.
Who was this that you met?
No, I had to tell you on.
Oh, you want to show me there?
I
Okay.
gotta see the picture.
It does.
You met Curious George? Oh my goodness. Was he nice?
He was nice.
He was nice?
Yes.
Good.
I got to show you other pictures of sisters.
Okay.
I don't know.
Aren't they white?
Right! Go!
They're not white?
Uh-huh.
So what colors did we make them? Can you tell me the colors we have there?
We have purple and orange and blue and green and purple and yellow and blue and yellow.
Which one is yellow? No. Try again. This one's yellow.
And
What color is that one? That's orange.
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 That one's ready.
You think so? Let's see. Is it ready? Do you like it?
Terry, turn down. Terry, open it. What's inside?
Well, now, buddy, when we open these up, these are real eggs. So, you know how we eat eggs at breakfast sometimes? They're like that kind of egg, but a little bit different. On Sunday, you can help Mommy open them and we'll see what's inside, okay?
What is that?
What is that, buddy?
I don't know.
What's it look like?
The dinosaur park.
It's a dinosaur park.
The parrot.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we can play with it.
I just put it up here.
Well, we can move it in a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
Here.
Happy Easter. That's for me.
Yeah.
That's a young toy.
Lion guard toy.
What? Who's in there?
Burger. I don't know his name.
Chanja?
I don't know.
That's Rafiki.
Oh, Rafiki.
With that.
Oh no.
It's better than for.
Yeah, that can be the dinosaur park or the Pride Lands.
What is that?
What is that?
An egg.
Where?
What?
Something's in there. Yes, open it. What's inside? Money! this doesn't look it over there.
Hyenas in the Pride Lands.
Yeah. There's water in there. A dinosaur. A dinosaur. A
Yeah.
big dinosaur.
A big dance.
Portia, we see Portia.
What are these?
Jelly beans.
M&M's.
M&M's. Mmm. Yeah, chocolate.
And they look like animals from the Pride Lands. Can you find them?
Yeah, that was here. And yes, those nuts there was my sorry baby.
How many are there, Kion?
There are 8 eggs. So you found one. That means there's 7 more to find.
I did this one and the eggs and it isn't and it is baby the key one in there. I don't check. More tokens.
Say it again. Do it again.
Bye bye.
Triangle?
Triangle and a circle and an oval.
Is that an oval? Look at that again.
I take eagle.
Yeah.
And this is the oval.
Ooh, very good. And what shape of your plate?
I took
And what about your placemat? Your Thomas placemat. What shape is that?
the deal.
Close to a square. It's kind of like a square. It's a
What?
rectangle.
I think he wanted it down.
She's okay.
She's okay for just a minute, okay?
Squeeze it.
Took a more macaroni piece.
All right.
Yogurt.
There you go. That will be $5, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is it. Mama,
I know. I'm watching.
he's in it.
How does he
So
forget
food
instructions
in
how to
there.
make it, use bond?
Doesn't look better.
Okay.
Go back. Africa is right here.
How do we get there?
You just here past lots of bombs.
What's in Africa?
There's a animals tail. And you eat polar bears, alligators, doggies, baby, cats.
Big cats. What are big cats?
No, baby, little cats. The tigers live.
India.
No, the tigers live at the zoo.
That's also correct.
No. This, then have the other side.